What's up guys, it's me Jimmy again. So here the UGREEN data cable digital life. Okay, here we go. So let me take out my scissor. Okay, here we go. This one you can use for charging with your MacBook Pro. It can support, I don't know how, out to a 100 watt, but if normally I bought it for charging for my MacBook Pro. Do not buy a cheap cable. That cable can damage the MacBook Pro motherboard, which is called logic board. I'm a big fan of UGREEN. This product I bought it from my own money, by the way. They make some really good product. Okay, this is the 3 feet one. Let me check out and see how tall is this one. So this is a right angle one. It's not that okay, but it's good enough, I can say that. Okay, yeah, as you can see, it was me Jimmy again. I think so. It's a very good quality. Let me use it with my Galaxy Note 10 Lite. I mean, I like it especially for gaming, or maybe like this. I bought it to use with a MacBook, but like this for gaming. What do you have to say? I think it's a must buy. I'm quite happy. Subscribe and buy.